Honey, I really love you and I want us to be together. I have decided to let you know that I want us to contribute for the payment of the royal certificate so that we can be together because I don't want to lose you. I love you so much and I don't want for us to be together. Say hi heaven. You see the messages, my dear love, as we negative this journey apart. I promise to be there for you in every way that I can. I promise to listen to you, though to share my own and to make every often to bigger the gap between us. Our love, though tested by distance, will emerge storage and more beautiful because of it. I will keep thinking of you as long as the earth exists. This is a beautiful promise I intend to keep till the earth is wiped away. Baby, you are always on my mind. I don't know what they are called, the spaces between seconds, but I think of you always in those intervals. I love you so much between heart. As you can see, my percentage have accepted us to be together as one family. I am so excited because very soon I am going to be with the woman I love, the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Honey, I am so much happy. You need to see how my heart is so fast for you. I can't wait to be with you and I can't wait to show you all the good things I have been promising you. Please come to me, my beloved wife. I really need you this time and my kids need you more. Thanks to you, I smile a little more, laugh a little harder, and cry a little less. I am so lucky to have you in my life. I don't know where I would be without your love. To the most wonderful woman I know, thank you for constantly bringing out the best in me. In your laughter, I find joy so pure. Without my love, life is an adventure. With you by my side, I fear no strife, for in your love I have found my life. The very first time I laid my eyes on you, I was amazed by your princess like beauty and area. Now I am happy to be able to call you my girl. My life is filled with feelings of love. If I could give you one thing in life, I would give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes. Only then would you realize how special you are to me. Even today, I feel the same. The day I first met you, you are the one I think of. You are truly one in few. But let me tell something to you. It's simple, not new. I so love you, no matter what has happened, no matter what you have done, no matter what you will do. I will always love you. I swear it. In your light, I learn how to love. In your beauty, how to make poems. You dance inside my chest where no one sees you, but sometimes I do, and that sight becomes this art. My heart for you will never break. My smile for you will never fade. My love for you will never end. I love you.